There was a time when truck scales were built to last a generation or more. Every plate of steel, every weld, a reflection of the dedicated craftsmen who made them. The days when pride in the products you produced drove business decisions. When a phone call from another satisfied customer was more important than another percentage point of profit. While much has changed here at Rice Lake in the last 60 years, those things have not, and never will. Rice Lake is proud to bring back the concept of the generational scale, the toughest truck scales on earth. Survivor. When we made the commitment to build the best scale in the industry, we started from the ground up. Our team of engineers and fabricators studied every truck scale on the market, from design to paint finish. Where were the weaknesses? What broke down? Why did it break down? And how can we build a better truck scale? The major challenge is the design of the most important feature, the weighbridge, the placement and size of the I-beams supporting the deck, and the overall weight and quality of the steel. Another source of maintenance problems is many of the load cell mounting systems on the market today. They use bumper bolts and check rods to slow the momentum of the bridge as the truck pulls on the scale. Bumper bolts must be adjusted to within 1/8 of an inch and can often bind a scale or work loose if they're not properly set. Survivor truck scales are equipped with Rice Lake's patented G-Force self-checking mount system. This exclusive design eliminates excess movement and scale wear by turning 100% of the gravity force from the loading action against itself. The scale is instantly returned to dead center without check rods or bumper bolts. The benefit is faster processing, consistent accuracy, and less maintenance. Most scale designs allow too much vertical movement or deflection when the force is applied or removed from the deck. Over time, metal fatigue accumulates, causing the deck to crack. That compromises the performance of the scale. The results are downtime and costly repairs, and in a few years, complete failure. Rice Lake's Weighbridge design uses a higher steel content than most competitive scales. When you compare the deflection ratio of Survivor truck scales to competitors' models, you can see why we chose the name Survivor. The weighbridge on the Survivor OTR model is made of diamond-checkered steel tread plate. The tread plate is welded on top of 12-inch wide flange, 14-pound per foot structural I-beams. Rice Lake positions these massive beams longitudinally with the traffic flow. No matter where the tires are positioned on the scale, each tire is fully supported by the top plate with a wide flange beam below. Rice Lake's longitudinal design is based on highway bridge designs that are intended to last 100 years or more. This eliminates the longitudinal ruts associated with designs using structural shapes instead of heavy bridge iron. Survivor truck scales carry a dual tandem axle and concentrated load capacity rating of 90,000 pounds, well over the legal DTA loading in most states of 34,000 pounds. The resulting benefit is that you can expect a generation of exceptional performance, over 2 million weighments, without weighbridge fatigue. Load cells are rigidly mounted using a single link suspension system. That provides equal and consistent force applied to each load cell. Each load cell has an individual capacity of 75,000 pounds. Compare that to 50,000 pounds on many competitors' models. Higher capacity load cells handle heavier loads with far fewer failures. Load cells are environmentally sealed. They come complete with a conduit hub-style connection for maximum protection from rodents. Copper transient bypass cables at each load cell allow surges or lightning strikes to bypass the load cell, protecting them from damage. Rice Lake's Tough Seal fiberglass reinforced polyester enclosures equalize inside and outside pressure. Water is repelled and prevented from entering the junction box. The junction box is equipped with individual transient circuitry protection. The entire system is grounded to a single-point grounding system connected to the power ground. Rock guards eliminate debris from wedging between the head wall or sidewalls, causing weighment errors. Form-fitted, pegged, and weighted top access covers eliminate lost and broken bolts. Weighbridge components are steel shot blasted according to high industry standards to remove mill scale and surface imperfections, ensuring maximum adhesion of coating applications. An asphalt emulsion undercoating is applied to all non-visible steel surfaces for protection against moisture, which can cause rusting and peeling paint. High-performance epoxy primer and specialized hard-coat alkyd enamel is applied to all visible steel surfaces. Harness industry-leading strength and durability to industry-leading intelligence with Rice Lake's cutting-edge instrumentation, like the iCube digital diagnostic junction box, the VirtueEye PC-based indicator, and the programmable 920i indicator controller. The iCube features the latest analog to digital technology, providing a non-proprietary interface. It combines load cell matching and scale calibration, and reports diagnostic information for load cells, weighing errors, and system functionality. iCube's fiber optic interface gives the 920i total electrical isolation from the scale platform, providing immunity from ground-borne transients and voltage spikes. A perfectly networked solution for any multi-scale system. The NTEP-certified PC-based VirtueEye does the job of a basic weight indicator. Plus, operators can monitor cell diagnostics, set next calibration alerts, configure gross net print formats, and view load cell status using a web browser. A comprehensive parts warranty comes with every Survivor scale, and every Survivor truck scale carries an industry-leading Weighbridge guarantee from a company who stands behind its guarantee. All these features of Rice Lake's Survivor truck scales, from the design and construction of the Weighbridge to the painting and finishing, and every part in between, result in dramatically lower total cost of ownership. That's time you won't be spending on maintenance and repairs, which is money in your pocket year after year over the life of the truck scale. We've spent 3 generations building a reputation of integrity, dependability, and legendary customer service. That's why we build those things into every Survivor we make. We wouldn't stake our reputation on anything less than the toughest scales on Earth. Neither should you.